Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, is there any Ahmed Khan in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, beta, fine. तुम्हारे उसमें रखी है न्यू ही रखी है बेटा। अच्छा कोई बात नहीं।
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. How is Manrina doing?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, good.
Good. Ranshir has not
Yes,
joined
ma'am.
today. Must be sleeping, huh? Yes, Rajnandini?
Sorry, ma'am.
Good morning. I said Ranshir has not joined, maybe sleeping. Okay, fine. Tell me last class, where did we leave? Chapter completed, question answers done. Where? Om?
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think that we have done till multi-purposes one and
Yep.
further also.
Chapter is not complete?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to start from conservation of water.
Okay, fine. So we need to do conservation of water. Right. So let us start with Raj Nandini. Right?
I will read.
No, not reading part. Wait. Tell me, how can you contribute in conservation of water?
I'm obviously closing the tap.
Okay.
And in the night, if any tap is leaking the water, तो mugs लगा दो नीचे जैसे
Okay.
AMI version.
Okay. That's good. What else? What else? What else?
Using less water for washing dishes and
Anshuman?
Ma'am, using
Yes,
drip
ma'am.
and sprinkler system.
Yes, Anshuman?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you conserve water?
We can use drip irrigation and we have rainwater harvesting also.
What is given in the book? Don't read out that. I am asking you
Yes.
something that you feel you can contribute in conservation of water. Like I told you the other day, did I tell you about how I use the waste water of RO? No? Like if you ask me that how do I conserve water, what do I adopt to conserve water? So the RO water that we have, the filters that we have, the blue pipe through which the wastewater comes out, I collect it in a big drum, and then later on I use it for watering the plants, right? I have a small kitchen garden, so I use that water to water my kitchen garden, right? So I think I am doing my part by utilizing that wastewater, right? Right?
yes, ma'am.
Fine. So that way I am asking you what methods you will adapt or what you will do to conserve water. I want your versions, not the version that is given in the book. Pranjali? Pranjali? What would you do? Pranjali is not connected to the audio. She's not able to listen to me. Kush Sharma. Yes, Kush.
Ma'am, Pranjali Dikshit and Kush Sharma are not connected with audio.
So let us have Rudra Vikram telling this. Rudra?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do to conserve water?
Ma'am, when we brush our teeth, do not waste the water. We open the tap and the water is going and going.
We don't keep the taps open
Yes.
that duration when we are brushing, right? We pour water
Yes,
on the brush, we close the tap, and then we do the brushing and all. And after that, again, we open it to clean, to rinse, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Om, what would you do?
Ma'am, we could also say people to use drip and sprinkle irrigation system.
Okay, what if they don't listen to you? Huh? देखो बेटा.
Ma'am, we can say them, and we will, ma'am, also say that in this method you have no need to go and check in 10 to 10 minutes in the summer hot seasons.
What? What they don't have to check?
मैम जब हम लोग मैनुअल इरिगेशन सिस्टम करते हैं तो फिर मैम हर 10 मिनट्स में जाके देखना पड़ता है ना कि पानी ज्यादा तो नहीं कहीं हो गया या फिर कहीं कम नहीं रह गया.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड. ठीक है, हम ये बात उनको सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं. बट आप क्या कर सकते हो? अपना पार्ट आप बताओ. आप किस तरीके से कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो इन कंजर्वेशन?
I'm not using showers for bathing.
Yes, not using showers for bathing, but what we can do instead? We can use buckets, right? Very good. What else?
ma'am. Short shower.
Huh? Yes, Aditya, you said something? Akshat?
Yes, ma'am.
You said something?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes?
मैम अगर पानी हम वेस्ट वाटर है अगर हम उसे बाहर थ्रो कर रहे हैं तो मैम हमें थ्रो नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें रख देना चाहिए जिससे कोई चिड़िया या बर्ड आके पी ले.
वेरी गुड. पर वो तो गंदा पानी होगा ना, वो साफ कैसे हो जाए? गंदे पानी से वो मर नहीं जाएंगे? किस तरीके का वेस्ट वाटर यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वेस्ट वाटर यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट?
मैम जैसे अगर पानी मतलब बच जाता है वैसे अगर कोई
मैम या फिर जो like we wash vegetables, so the left water we can water the plants.
Yes, very
Ma'am,
good.
we have to take short shower. We have to take.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we can make a swimming pool like big holes in the underground soil so that we can store water.
Yes, what we can do is we can construct a cemented, pool, which we are not using as pool, but we are using it for storing water. Like what we can do is when, during the rainwater through the drainage pipes, the water that comes out, we can, connect pipes to that drainage pipe and use and connect the pipe to that cemented area, and we can collect water over there, right? That way also wastage of water will be less and we'll be conserving water. And later on we can use that water for cleaning cars, for washing. There are several purposes for which we use that. I hope I am clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Then sometimes you must have seen those people who use washing machine. These days every second house has a washing machine, right? People are hardly washing clothes by hands, but then they use washing machines, right? So the pipe through which the waste water that comes, fully automatic washing machines which we have, the water that comes out of that, what we can do, we can connect that pipe to a container where we can collect that water, and later on we can use it for cleaning, for sweeping, right? Right?
मैम यस मैम मैम
Right?
अगर ऊपर हमारे घर के जो ऊपर टैंक होते हैं
हाँ
अगर
हाँ
हम उनमें अगर हम उनमें कोई बॉटल या फिर कोई कपड़ा लगाने जिससे
हाँ।
पानी लीक नहीं हो तो मैम
नहीं,
उससे भी सेव
वो तो बेटा तब
Excuse me,
होता है।
ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, वो तब होता है कंडीशन when the tanks are leaking, when the taps are leaking, when they are not properly repaired. I am talking that how you can contribute in conserving. Like I told that I store that RO waste, that water that comes out from that blue pipe, you know, that wastewater. I store it and later on I use it for watering, right? So that water is a very clean water. It is not a dirty water. Even to make the animals drink, I use that water for giving it to the animals as well. The street dogs that are there outside, there is a, you know, a big container in which I pour that water, and whenever they feel like, they drink it. Right? In small pots, in small containers, I have got that water. I put that water so that birds can come and have it. Right? So this is my way of conserving. This is my way of maximum utilizing this water. Right? Then what else do I do? I have connected, like suppose the container in which that water is there, it is completely. Good morning. Good morning, Ranshir. I was telling Rajnandi, maybe you are sleeping. That is why you didn't join the class.
No, ma'am, I
Excuse
was
me,
eating my
ma'am.
breakfast. Sorry, ma'am, I got late.
Okay, you were
Excuse
having
me,
your.
ma'am.
Yes, beta Mandrina.
Ma'am, you know, I got a baby of a bird fallen from its nest on the road. So I was feeling that how I will grab him. So
How can-
I took it. I took it to my home, and now we are feeding him.
Very good. That's really very nice. This is a very, you know, nice
Ma'am,
gesture.
should I show you?
Yes, do you have it right now? Show it.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Oh, so sweet. Such a small baby it is. Oh my God. See, for this bird, you know, for this baby, you are like God. You have saved, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Very nice gesture, bacha. Very nice gesture. Very good. Okay. Okay, Agrima is a new admission to the class. Is Agrima a new
Sorry,
admission?
ma'am.
Agrima is a new admission to the class. Sorry, Agrim Verma. Agrim Verma.
यस मैम
Don't know.
Agrim, you are a new student, beta. Agrim.
Ma'am, I guess Abram Verma is Manya.
Agrim Verma.
Manya Verma.
Yes, ma'am. Manya Verma.
It is Manya Verma. Okay. So write your name, beta. It is creating confusion. Right? Fine. Fine. Ranshir, we were having a discussion in the class that what we can do to conserve water. So everyone has shared ideas, something that is not given in the book. Your way, what you do to conserve, how you go for it, that I want. So can you share your idea of conserving water?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes. Pavneet is not attending classes these days. I don't know why. Yes, Anshid.
Ma'am, we can also check over in our house that not any tap is leaking.
Very good. Like Raj Nandi said that before sleeping she checks, and if any tap is leaking, she puts, mugs under that so that it can be filled, or buckets, right? This is what Raj
Yes,
Nandi told
ma'am.
us. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Aditya. Very good. Ranshir, I'm waiting for your version, bache.
Ma'am, you
Okay.
also say bache.
Huh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ranshir.
Ma'am, my idea is for like adults because when they shave, they keep the water running. I don't know why. So they can only turn off the water while shaving.
Exactly. This could be done. Like I think someone suggested that while brushing we should not keep the taps running. We should wet our brush, then start pasting, and after that close the tap, and after we are done with the brushing part, we can always put it on and rinse our mouth, right? This is what someone suggested. I forgot the name of the child. Who was that who suggested this? So Ranshir, your idea is also somewhat similar. While shaving, we should not, like, we should tell our fathers especially not to keep the taps running, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And
Ma'am, बिल्कुल बात आता है.
sometimes people, those who water the plants using pipes, what do? They keep holding, suppose, if a known comes, they keep holding the pipe unnecessarily by, uh, suppressing the pressure of the water, and of course by doing so they are not watering the plant, and still by standing and talking they are wasting a good amount of water, right? That is also wasted.
Yes,
Many
ma'am.
of the people, what do? While washing their cars or scooters or two-wheelers or four-wheelers, what do? They use pipes, and till the time they are wiping it, they keep the pipe running, right? They should avoid, these kind of things should be avoided. So this is in the daily practices that we have. We need to conserve water. Now talking about the irrigation part. See, when somebody said that drip and sprinkling irrigation should method should be adopted. So in the irrigation process also, we know there are people who use tube wells for irrigating the fields. So rather what they should do, if of course tube wells, okay, fine, they are using, but then they should use sprinklers also.
And ma'am, drip also.
Yes, and then drip irrigation is basically used in the dry areas where the availability of water is very less, and by using this drip irrigation they can make sure that the water drop that is coming out of the pipe holes, it is reaching the roots properly, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
know, in Saudi Arabia, we all know that Saudi Arabia, the availability of water is very less. There people have oil fields instead of having water wells, right? So in Saudi Arabia, many of the people, those who are there, what do? They don't have water, so they don't waste water also for washing, right? What do? They nowadays big filter plants have been installed, and in those filters, the sea water, the salty water, the saline water that is there in the sea, it is used to filter, and then after filtering the water is made to be used, right? We all know saline water cannot be used no directly. Can you use saline water directly for washing, for cleaning, for bathing?
No, ma'am.
It's not possible, because
ma'am.
it will create lot of damage, right? That is why in those areas where saline water is available or the salty water is available, in those areas filter plants have been installed so that water can be filtered and it can be used. Now talking about the filter plants or the recycling the industrial water that is used, we can always have, like, if you see in the present time the government has issued certain guidelines where wherever there are industries put up, people, the industrialists, those who are there, they are told to have a filtration plant where all the water that is considered as a waste, it goes to that filter plant and it is filtered over there, and then the wastes which are there, they are segregated, and the normal water is thrown, and it gets mixed up with the this water bodies which are there, right? Directly the industrial waste is not thrown in the water. So by doing this also, we are conserving water. We are utilizing at least some part of the water that are used in the industries, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us have Om Saraswat reading conservation of water. Om,
I'm married.
let Om read. Let Om start. Yes, Om.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, should I start?
Yes, beta.
Conservation of water. Water as a natural resource is of prime importance to us. Rapid population growth has fast depleted the reservoirs of fresh water. Deforestation, constructions of houses, roads, and industries have also depleted the underground water reserves. One of the major challenges of the 21st century is access to use adequate supply of clean water. Thus, it is imperative that we manage our water resources carefully and conserve it for further use. The
For future
importance.
use. Om, wait for future use. Okay. Anshuman, next. Yes, Anshuman.
The important the important methods of conserving water are as follows. Afforestation, that is the planting of trees and other plants can slow down the surface runoff and improve the seepage of water in the soil. In this way, underground water reservoirs can be replenished. The most important use of fresh water is irrigation. Efficient irrigation methods must be used so that there is no wastage of water. Over irrigation is neither good for the crops nor for the soil.
Okay.
Canals
Anshuman,
and
wait. Can we have Rudra Vikram reading? From over irrigation. Page one. Over irrigation.
I'm from canals.
No, let him read from over irrigation.
Yes, sir. Over-irrigation is neither good for the crops nor for the soil. Canals or dams must be repaired to avoid wastage of water. Sprinklers sprinkles are a very effective method of irrigation. They can irrigate even undulating lands. Water loss through seepage can also be checked in dry region where evaporation rate is high. Trickle or drip irrigation is useful. Underground pipes supply water to the roots of the plant.
Very good. Aditya, can you read?
Sorry, ma'am.
Read next.
Industrial water may be recycled and used for cleaning and cooling the machines. In domestic use, wastage of water should be avoided. Taps should not be Ma'am, what is this? Unclean,
Faulty.
kept open and faulty
Unnecessarily
ones
should not be unnecessarily kept open, and the faulty ones should be repaired.
Factually, one should be repaired. Wastewater from kitchens may be used to fill up air coolers or for gardening. Rainwater harvesting is an
Ma'am,
important
can I read rainwater harvest?
of conserving water. Rainwater can be collected in storage tanks and later be used to fill up wells and tube wells.
Fine.
Ma'am, can I read the recap?
Yes, Mandrina, read recapitulation.
Okay, ma'am. Recap. About 71% of the total surface area of the earth is covered with water. We use water for various purposes: domestic, agricultural, industrial, hydropower, generation, and transport. Only 1% of the Earth's water is easily available and fit for human use. Distribution of fresh water is highly uneven in the world. Many countries face water scarcity.
Scarcity.
Scarcity. Multi-purpose projects aim at overall utilization of the rivers. Water can be conserved by afforestation, effective irrigation, recycling, avoiding wastage, and rainwater harvesting.
Okay, fine. With this chapter is over, I'm giving you 5 minutes to ask about your doubts, and then please do these exercises. After 5 minutes, we'll be discussing them in the class, right? Take 5 minutes to do these exercises, find the answers. Quick class.
Ma'am, please
Yes.
explain significance of water again.
Significance of water tells us about the uses, various uses of water. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, चलिए. Do it.
I'm already done. Done, done.
Is anybody saying anything, Aditya? कुछ कह रहे हो बेटा?
Ma'am, done.
Let everyone do it. Let everyone do. We'll do collectively, okay?
Ma'am, done.
All have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Aditya, first exercise A, first question.
The percentage of the total water on the earth easily available and fit for human use is dash 1%.
Second, can I?
Very good. Yes, Manrena. Second one.
Ma'am, I don't know the answer of second one.
Ma'am, may I know?
Ma'am, the option number B.
Beta, read out the question. Rajnandi, read out the question also.
A large dam in Pakistan.
Ma'am, the second answer
Option
will
B,
be
option B.
Sarfila.
Ma'am, can I read third one?
Yes, Beta, third one. Manrena.
Which of the following countries do not face water scarcity? UK, Saudi Arabia, Australia, Algeria. UK is the answer.
Ma'am, Algeria is the answer.
UK is the correct answer. Next. Fourth one. Ranshir.
A disease. Disease.
Yes, Ranshir. Fourth one. Read out. Okay, Urvashi, you know the answer, fourth one? Urvashi knows the answer?
Can I read then, ma'am?
Beta, Urvashi knows?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes. Read, beta, Urvashi, read out.
A disease that is not caused by contaminated water is malaria.
उर्वशी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है बेटा बिल्कुल भी बच्चे हाँ आंसर इज मलेरिया वेरी गुड नेक्स्ट कुछ अंशुमन
Ma'am, I don't know the answer of fifth one.
Okay, Ranshir, Divyanshu, anybody who knows?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
to guess
Mahi.
on control.
Yes, Mahi. Tell fifth one.
Ma'am, what was the fourth answer?
Malaria. It is malaria. Fourth is option A, malaria.
Ma'am, may I tell fifth one?
Yes, Aditya.
Underground water reserves have been depleted by contour plugging.
No, no, beta. B option, construction of houses, not contour plowing. ठीक है? Next. True, false. Kush,
Can
are you
I
there?
read true false?
Yes, yes, Manrina.
Okay, ma'am.
Rajnandini,
State weather.
Rajnandini, are you sleeping?
No, ma'am.
Then you read out the true, false. First one you tell, second one Manrila will tell, okay? Right, Manrina?
Water is present
Okay.
in its solid, liquid, and gaseous forms on the earth. Yes, true.
It is
False.
true or false?
True.
It is true. Okay. Manrina, second one.
Yes, ma'am. Water is non-renewable resource. False.
What should be the correct answer?
True.
Water is a non-renewable. It is a renewable resource. So it is false, but it is a renewable resource. Okay. You need to underline non-renewable and write renewable resource. Third one. Can we have Pranjali answering? Pranjali. Beta Pranjali. Mahi, do you know? Yes, Anshuman knows. Yes, Anshuman.
Ma'am, wells and tube wells are used to extract groundwater. True.
True, very good. Next, Rajnandani. Fourth one.
Multi-purpose projects cannot control floods in rivers. So,
It is false. What should be the correct answer?
and they can.
They can. So we'll underline cannot and we'll write they can control floods in rivers. Fifth one, Manrena.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth
Drip
one.
irrigation is a useful in dry regions. Yes, it is useful.
It is true. So drip irrigation is useful in dry regions. It is true. Match the following. Who will do this? Match the following. All. Yes, Anshuman, tell.
Ma'am, please wait for a second. I am
Fine. I'm waiting.
Ma'am, Aswan, Nile.
Aswan is Nile. Bhakra Nangal.
Ma'am, Bhakra Nagal, Satluj.
Very good.
Hooghly, Columbia. Nagarjun Sagar. Krishna, Sardar Sarovar, Narmada.
Very good. Very good. Well done. Next, we have fill in the blanks. Who will tell? Aditya will tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Tell.
Waterfall can be harnessed to generate hydroelectricity.
Very good. Next, Rajnandini, or you will only tell Aditya?
Okay, ma'am. That is the main source of fresh water, ma'am. Rain.
Rain is the main source of fresh water. Very good. The Hirokund Dam is built across Dash River.
Ma'am, Mahanadi.
Mahanadi. Very good. Mahanadi. Dash present in water is harmful for the nervous system.
Neotoxin.
No, lead. Right? Then the most common method to purify drinking water is? Yes, Anshuman?
Ma'am, pasteurization.
No. Boiling. Boiling is the most common method, no?
Yeah.
Right? Boiling is the most common method. Now, in the next class that we have tomorrow, do we have a class tomorrow?
Yes.
No. We have a class on Saturday now. So Saturday we'll be continuing with the question answers, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. And please make sure that you have done everything that is told to you. 2 maps, right? And one activity also I told you, no, we'll be doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no?
Ma'am, which activity?
Better activity on page 155, individual activity, collage making,
Okay.
right?
Yep.